Surrogacy is a reproductive arrangement between a woman, that is surrogate, and another woman that cannot conceive or carry a pregnancy. So a surrogate mother carries and delivers the baby for another woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. So it's like borrowing a womb for a woman that cannot carry a pregnancy. The baby is genetically yours, but the womb is borrowed with love. If you want to know more about surrogacy, keep following us. We will post all the queries about surrogacy.
Hakabayday bat ka jing kanto ke barang syan halor ka jing pensange ka public hearing jong ka Shree Cement hapadang jing persya ajur jing pat ba kathan. Menteri rang ba ka jela ula pensai ba ka Sorkar jela kan ïaid lait ya kanu kanu ka kyndon trekam na ka bentaki project jing Karkhana. Bat kamlong ka bala satya ya ka Sorkar ba kan buat ya kanu kanu ka kyndon trekam ka bala perkheng kam tam ka bayday bat ki project ki bahaya. Ula kenta di jing keno bagladon ka jing penjam ki kyndon perkheng bat Conrad Sangma ulong bakum kini jing keno kimlong ke badai. Namar bagi Sorkar kala ban buat renti ki kyndon trekam balada kadon kanu kanu ke benta bagi jing sokya jing pat ba. Kidai ban mi syakmat nrai ki hapat ban buat ki kyndon trekam. Ulong bagi rekod jong ke Sorkar ha ka jing yak lenti ha kini ki prasnam ka peni ka jing buat renti ki kyndon. Balale ya bon teli ki project ya kini ki prasnam ki balale bagi Sorkar kamdon ya kanu kanu jing temu ban penken ya ki an na ka benta kanu kanu ka company ne ka kanhon. Barok ki an bagi kyndon trekam ki ki bala buat renti na ka benta barok ki jat project. Ulong ru ba an amla ban ïaid lait tang namar badan mano ki bakwa ban lebet. Ndai on hab ban ïaid kat kum ki kyndon trekam barak ban buat renti ki kyndon. Bagi Sorkar kalau ke basyai kedar bah halor ka ni ka benta.
Absolutely not correct. We have been following all the procedures, and for every project, procedures are defined, and every kind of industrial projects, the procedures are defined. For government, it is not possible for us to not follow any of the procedures, and especially for larger projects. So therefore, this kind of allegations are not correct. We have been following procedures, and yes, if there are certain areas and concerns which people have, let them come out, and obviously the procedures have to be followed. So be very clear on that. Please remember that there is no question of any bulldozing out here. There's no question of flaunting any rules out here. We have been doing different projects for the last 8 years. The government does not intend to break rules for any particular company or organization. All rules, all procedures will be followed for all projects.
What is it?
The favoring, if it is there, I think it will be out in the open. The point is that for us, procedures and rules and whatever statutory requirements are there, irrespective of whichever company comes in, we are very clear that we have to follow all the rules. So I'm very clear on that, and therefore the administration also is very clear. These are not like, a small shop that you're planning to open, or a small kind of a business in particular village you're opening. These are large investments, of thousands of crores. These cannot be just done, because somebody wants it to be done. It has to be done only on the basis of procedures that are there. So procedures have to be followed, be very clear, and procedures will be followed.